Hey, hi, hello, and welcome back. And I told you I would. Yep, I said I'd buy it again, and I bought it again. But I bought it twice. Again. After buying it once. Because, well, go check out my other videos and you'll see why I bought 2 more of these. So, let's do a cold review. Straight out of the packaging, straight from Race Day Quad. And we will do a proper review. Now, I have gotten into a couple of 5-inch, and all the tools are wonderfully useful. Okay. They are beautiful and pristine. Got in the kit a larger set of snips, curved spring-loaded pliers with no teeth, scissors, you know what those are for. These are serrated just a little bit. They do have really good grip for wires, clips, whatever you're trying to work with. The nut tool, and yeah, I'm going to rearrange this a little bit. Now, if you have seen the other review video I did of this, the thing that really put me over the top, which I should have realized sooner, was the fact that these are let's get this out a little further. There we go. They do have a little bit of a keyway, and that is a little bit of an improvement, keeps everything from slipping. But I like to use a carbon tool and adjust them down. And I use a carbon tool because they're less likely to slip. Now you can take a little file to it, file it down where you want it, where you like it, maybe even in a couple of spots, and get that same effect. So I am going to reduce these to where I like them. Now, why did I buy a second set? Now that's pretty easy, because I was tired of coming all the way upstairs every time I was going out to fly to grab some tools and put them in the bag, and then keep the bag downstairs, and then turn around, come back, come up to the workbench, and my tools not be here. So we will get these nice and snug and shortened down. With them shorter, you have a little better control of where the tip is, which I really do appreciate. This is kind of new, I think. I have to go look at my old set, but I don't remember this being tapered here. But that gives you a lot more control over locating this at the end of a screw, instead of it being way out here and moving around way too much. I do really, really like these. The pouch here in the middle, it comes empty, but this is a great place to keep your smaller zip ties. And that is it. It's time to pack it up. Get 2 there. 1.5. And there's a couple extra spaces, which is always handy for an extra set of tweezers or an extra driver. Am I going to modify this set? Yep, probably. Again, I don't have a lot of use for scissors, so I will probably swap these out for a different tool. Do this where you can see it. Yep, I bought it again. Thanks. Go check out Race Day Quads. They will ask you to review everything after you've purchased it, which I really love. Of course, everybody does. So why not make a video review? And maybe that's not what they were expecting, but I said that in the last video. Maybe you saw it. Maybe you didn't. But there's some interesting stuff out there. Not really interesting. I'm no know-it-all. Have a great day. Go check out Race Day Quads and the toolkit that is well worth every penny.